बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। उम्मीद है आप खैरियत से होंगे। लेक्चर स्टार्ट होने से पहले हस्बे मामूल आपसे गुजारिश की जाती है कि आप हमारे दूसरे चैनल को ज़रूर विज़िट करें, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद है। उस चैनल में हम इंग्लिश ग्रामर MCQs क्विज़ की वीडियोस अपलोड करते हैं। इंशाल्लाह आपको बहुत फ़ायदा होगा। लेक्चर स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, Do you agree or disagree with view of the writer as stated in the third paragraph of the text? इसका आंसर है, I strongly agree with writer's point of view regarding gender inequality in Pakistani society when it comes to schooling. We have a different approach towards male and female education due to cultural boundaries and gender specific roles. Question number 2 है, give a brief account of the plight of women in Pakistan with respect to their healthcare issues. इसका आंसर है, unfortunately, women in all over the Pakistan, particularly in the rural areas of Pakistan, face an extremely awkward situation. Awkward के माना है अजीब situation with respect to health issues. Due to non-availability of good health facilities, too many women lose their lives or their infants during birth. Most of the women in rural areas do not have the access of doctors and lady health workers. Question number 3 है, what factors are responsible for the economic backwardness of women in Pakistan? इसका आंसर है, poor and irrelevant educational academics along with some other factors. ये लाइफ नहीं है, like marriage and cultural taboos and stereotypes led them to joblessness and backwardness. Question number 4 है, what does Islam say about women's right? Explain your answer in the light of Quran and Hadith. इसका आंसर है, Islam provides equal rights in all fields of life to women. Quran says, for men there is a share of what they earned, and for women there is a share of what they earned. Surah Al-Nisa, verse number 32. Similarly, in Hadith, the Holy Prophet said, indeed you have rights over your wives, and your wives have rights over you. Question number 5 है, state any incidence of gender inequality in any sector which you have ever observed. इसका आंसर है, I have observed gender inequality in girls' education. I witnessed a situation where a girl was pulled out from school because of poverty, and she likely to be engaged in household chores. Chores कहते हैं काम काज को. Girls are usually pulled out from schools earlier than boys. Question number 6 है, what seems to be motive behind writing this text? The motive, इसका आंसर है, the motive behind this text is that it seems to highlight gender-based discrimination against women in all walks of life. Moreover, is written to improve women's access to economic, civil and political participation in Pakistan. Question number 7 है, what would you suggest for the eradication of gender inequality? इसका आंसर है, the way to tackle the issue of gender discrimination is that we must follow the Islamic teachings as Islam has given equal rights to men and women. We should acknowledge that women has a share in property. They should have the right to get education and marry according to their own choice.